So chapter 11 is the law of torts. The learning objectives are the goals of the tort law, damages available in the tort cases, classification of torts, and strict liability torts. So a tort is an injury to another's person or property, so it's a civil wrong. And then the goals of tort laws are to compensate innocent persons who are injured or whose property is injured as a result of another's conduct, and then discourage private retaliation by injured persons and their friends, promote just a society by forcing responsible parties to pay for the injuries they cause, and then the types of tort damages are compensatory damages designed to make the victim whole again, puts the victim in the same position prior to the tort taking place, and includes compensation for all injuries that the tortfester caused to the victim and the victim's property. And then the attorney's fees are not like part of this like whole damage, like that will still cost us more. And nominal damages are sometimes the plaintiff is unable to prove damages that would necessitate compensation in such cases, and the court awards the victim nominal damages, and then it recovers of the nominal damage, enables the plaintiff to seek punitive damages. And then punitive damages caused by the victim by a flagrant, unconcisable, or egregious act willfully committed by the tortfeasor. So criticism is like the juries have too much power in the lawsuits involving the punitive damage. And then categories of torts or just categories would be torts against persons, torts against property, and torts against economic interests. And then classification of intentional torts against persons would be the assault and battery, defamation, invasion of privacy, false imprisonment, intentional infliction of emotional distress. And then against property is trespass to realty, and then trespass to personality, and then conversion. And then chapter 12 is the product and service liability law. And learning objectives in this chapter were theories of recovering and product liability cases, market share liability, service liability, global dimensions of product liability law. And then it talked about the theories of recovery and product liability cases, which is the negligence, breach of warranty, and the strict product liability. And then common negligence actions leading to product liability cases: negligence, failure to warn, negligence provision of what inadequate warning, negligence design, negligence manufacture, negligence testing or failure to test, and then negligence advertising. And then strict liability and contract for breach of warranty. Warranting guaranteed or binding promise that goods meet certain standards of performance. Express the warranty is warranty that is clearly stated by the seller or manufacturer. And then implied warranty is warranty that is automatically arises out of a transaction of merchantability, and then of fitness for the particular purpose. So like learning about these, like learning more about the law and like the torts is really nice to know, because like now you know like if like someone damages your property and stuff like that, like you know which tort that is and like what like benefits you'll get out of it, and like how like the case of law like they'll help you. And just having a better idea of like the law part like makes you not do that stuff.